Shit. Okay, it's working. Okay, hey guys, this is my first stream about maps4fs, and I think the first thing we need to do is to check the quality or whatever. Why I'm not in the center of the screen? What happened? Something happened with my streaming software just now. I don't know what. I think it's maybe related to YouTube or whatever. Okay. Anyways, I think that I will be able to share my screen, and the thing that I want to show is how to use maps4fs from scratch. Like, you have some coordinates, you have software, and so on, and you go in step by step, preparing OSM data, and that's it until your map is kind of complete. Of course, I will not dive into buildings, roads, I mean, like with tarmac or all this stuff. But without it, map should be pretty much complete. So let's dive into it. First of all, I will try to change the scene to something like, and I will see how it's working. Where is my pen? Can screen live screen, this one. Okay, I hope it will work fine or not. Okay. Oh, this scene is working fine. Okay, something wrong with only one scene. Okay. So first of all, I will open VS Code in my case because I'm using maps4fs from my code, like local version, or I forget what the sound. Following. Okay, thank you for the following, guys. It's been a while until when I was streaming last time on Twitch, like 3 years ago or whatever. So yeah, allow. Let me first git pull, git status. What is the branch? Okay, cool. So I'm not using Docker version. I'm not using public version. I'm using my code version from Python. It's the most like fastest one. So if you kind of familiar with VS Code and know how to install Python, you can try this one. I don't have a graphic user interface here because it's just like code. So for the reference, I will open public version. And the goal is to like create like 2 kilometers map with all the basic stuff like fields, farmlands, water, and background. Why it's lagging? Okay. Am I lagging or not? Looks fine. Okay. So I have this place where I want to create my first map. It's in Serbia and somewhere here. And I think somewhere here, but I want the river to be included too. And some forest or whatever. Let me first try to randomly pick a point like from here and we'll see the bounding box. I also think that... do I see chat here? Or... Oh, thank you. Oh, very useful stuff. Give me a sec. Chat here and... Where is the chat here? Okay, cool. Did I miss something like from chat around? Where is YouTube chat, for example? Okay. Do I have yo? I think Streamlabs not synchronize the chats. I think I bought the Ultra package. It was a bad idea to buy it. Okay, so I want to... I think I don't want railroad on my map because it's just pain in one place, but I want more river, obviously. I don't like these ditches, and I think that we can go a little bit up where I copied the comments like here, and let's try once more. Yeah, I don't like how right now maps4fs handling this stuff when you know you want to move some coordinates like this one and you don't have any buttons in the interface to do it. Yeah, I know this pain too, but the engine I'm using currently is Streamlit. I don't have any options for this actually. I tried to make it more dynamic, but I guess the only option is to learn JavaScript and create my own front end here. So, okay, now we don't have railroad. So my purpose was to remove this part because it has a lot of buildings, some railroads. I don't want to bother myself with it. And I also want a river. This is a problem. So if we want this river, yeah, we need also include this part, because otherwise we don't have a bridge and this part of the map will be cut out. So let's go a little bit to the left. Okay, I mean, by the X, it's okay, something like this, or maybe no, I think we need more. This one, copy and paste, and let's try again. Okay, we have a bridge now, but it's on the very edge of the map. I don't like it. Let's try a little bit to the left. Okay, looks more or less fine. Now I want to rotate it a little bit. You know, just to make it like parallel lines, say, wherever. How many degrees like this one? Maybe 6. No, it's too much. Oh, it's less than 6. Okay. Bam, bam, bam. No, I think it's still. I want to let me give a little bit more volume to the music. Okay, so I think it looks good. We don't have railroad. We have this road. We have bridge. We have some forest or whatever. So what I'm going to do is to copy those coordinates I want. So if I were using maps4fs, I just keep it some glitches in my Edge browser. Will be using it here, but I will save it in my code when I'm using it. Where is my dmap file? So the coordinates, this one, and size. Okay, rotation is like 4 degrees. Output size, we don't need output size. Okay, so the thing is, I'm using this Python script, but it works exactly the same like the web version of the application. So you should not be afraid of this. So for example, this is dem settings. No, first of all, we have all the basic things: coordinates, size, rotation, dem settings, like this one, dem settings, GRLES settings, i3D settings, texture settings, satellite settings. I don't have background settings here. I have, sorry. So it's exactly the same, just in code way, so I don't need to enter it manually each time. I will just hit one button and that's it, because I'm planning to generate it like, I don't know, 20-30 times. And we also will use custom OSM file here. So I found my bounding box. I like how it looks, more or less. I have water, bridge, I don't have railroad, some roads. What is gonna be my next step? The next step is to check the OSM data. So I will go to OpenStreetMap and check how it looks. Do I have like one gigantic field? Okay, let me find this place. It's here, somewhere here. Okay, so right now I don't see like useful information for me, because I want to see if it has separate fields or whatever. One more thing, guys. I wanted this stream to be useful for not just like recording, so I will use it like for future things, but also you can ask your questions if you have one. So I'm trying to read the chat, so if you have questions, just let me know and we'll try to explain it if it's not explained in the documentation. If it is, I will just provide a link. So I'm logged in to OSM to see the data. So this is my place. This is a bridge I have here. This is OSM data, and here, this is my edge of my map. And what I want to check here is to, you know, okay. No, I know everything. I want to check if it's okay already. Oh, my camera dropped for some reason. Give me a sec. Green only. Yeah, this one. We don't need my camera. I think it's just taking some place. So this is my region, and fields look separate. That's good. I think all of them. are separated. Yep, yeah, we have pretty good fields. Actually, I was editing this map I don't know, half a year ago or whatever, and I was wondering if someone reverted my changes, but no. Okay, so the edge somewhere here, the street, this main road. Yeah, here we have the edge here, and fields are separate, and it looks good actually. No need to edit anything, but just you know, to make an example. Let me download it using Yosm or Josm. I don't know how to pronounce it right. So I think I already installed it. Yep, I have it, and let's launch it. I don't like it. I mean, I like this sound from Witcher, but it's taking too much energy from me right now. Okay, it's loading. I think it was so slow. Okay, new layer, I guess. Yep. And we need imagery, Bing, or Esri, doesn't matter, I think. Okay. Okay, it's working. So now the challenge appeared to find the place without countries, borders, or whatever. I usually, you know, like check this river and whatever, it here, and think I leave some here. Yeah. Okay, so this is not the case. This one. Okay, cool. So this is my region, and I want to download it from OSM. So download data. And okay, it's too much, I guess. Okay, let's try this one. Yep. Okay, now I think I didn't have updates on my chat yet. In here. Okay. So we downloaded OSM data, and now if we need, this is our bridge, this is our railroad, which will not be on the playable part of the map, but it will be on the background terrain. So let's check what we can edit here. For example, this is what is this is field, and this is road. Okay, cool. Let's try to edit something here. Okay, let's just add a couple of more points to this field to make it more rounded or whatever. So this is how it works with JOSM. So, okay, let's do the following. I will generate it on a public version without anything, just to see how fields and okay, I'm created. So someone already generating map. I just want to see how it looks like on the preview. Why it's red? I mean, it's just selected. Okay. Okay, I'm still quit. Okay, what we can do right now? The map looks good actually. Everything is separated, clear, forest zones or whatever. Maybe, I don't know. It looks good. I'm not sure if this should be forest or field. I don't know. this one too, but maybe this one looks like forest maybe, but it should be outside of our region. I think it will be here, like this one. Maybe something is missed here. What is it? Okay, maybe no, we're still in the queue. Okay, so anyway, if the fields are okay, and I guess the farmlands will be okay too, we still need a zone to, you know, like build a farm. If we don't want to... Actually, when playing Farming Simulator, I like on basic maps, I usually buy some field, destroy it, and build something on it. And I don't like how it works, actually. It's not realistic or whatever. And if you're playing on real maps, I do not do this. I don't destroy fields and build something in the middle of nowhere. So I usually prefer to build on the same places they in real life. So for example, we have this field here, right? It's land use farmland. Yeah, it's field. Yeah, it might be sound confusing because on OSM farmlands means fields in the game. Okay, and here we have farmland 2, and we also have this road, highway service. Okay, cool. We have some buildings, some roads. And do we have some? Okay, we don't have. So what I'm gonna do right now, I will create an actual farmyard on OSM, which will be converted to farmland in the game. Let's check how. Why it's completely black. Yeah, it's right. It's a DTM image of my map, and it mostly like plain. So this is a preview version, so we can see actual river here. Yeah, it is. The quality of the DTM provider is not good enough. Okay, so here is the scheme of our farmlands. This is images from preview. So I like how it looks like with the rotation right now. And this part, I want to make it a viable land in the game. And I will mark it as a farmyard and use it on my custom OSMs. So this is the place. And maybe we can also make this one. Let me check the current scheme. So it's here. What is it? Red one. It's here. A white red one. No, sorry. This field. Okay, this field. And all this stuff. I want to make it viable for farmlands in the game without fields. So let's do it. What is zone? Land use industrial. Okay, cool. Okay. So since we are working with our own custom data, we don't care much about like doing it in a incorrect way. So we can just switch this land use industrial to farmyard. Yeah, it's farmyard, and let's check with the schema. So we have like texture schema, and let's find farmyard. Just to ensure, yeah, land use farmyard will be used for farmyards, which will be converted to farmlands that can be bought in game, but without fields. So I just turned it to the farmyard. I also want to do the same with this thing. Land use name. Oh, it has name. Okay, industrial, and let's switch it to the farmyard too. It's farmyard. Farmyard, cool. So now. Oh, Pixel. Hi there. Actually, I don't some reason have like synchronized chat from like Twitch and YouTube. So sorry about that. I missed it for some reason because I was waiting for it. Anyway, I hope that you are familiar with English. Please let me know if it's not correct. I'm not sure I'm going to switch between the languages on the stream because it may be not good for me, like too hard. Okay, anyways, how are you? And because it's been a while since I've been last time here, so it would be great if you can say a couple of words about how it's going. So okay, I switched to farmyard, right? Okay, cool. And I want this region to be viable farmland too. This one, right? Draw tool. Okay, where it is? Let's do it like this. Okay, the problem is we have a farm, we have a field here, so we don't want to them to be occluded. It will be a problem if we will do it, so we'll just do it like this. Okay, cool. And let's create land use farmyard. Okay, cool. So that's it. We added a new farmyard. And now let's create a new farmyard here too. Or maybe let's extend it. I don't know what is better actually. Yeah, let's try to expand it. I think it will be better if we just expand it. This one. Like this, yeah, because otherwise it can become a problem when they will be occluded and all this stuff. I don't want myself to bother with these things. We can also edit the price. I usually do this when I'm creating farmlands without fields. Just for building, I usually make a price multiplier for them lower, so they will be cheaper and can easily buy them. Okay, something like this. Yeah, we should remember that we have an actual field here, this one, which will become a farmland when we generate a map. So, what is this? What I'm trying to edit here? Oh, right. Cool. So this is correct. I don't see. This one. Yeah. Okay, it's more or less fine. So this is an example of the. I think maybe we should expand it here too. Yeah, we don't have anything like. So we can. Oh shit. Like this one. Yeah, I want to expand it more. I like this one. Okay. So we are done here. This is farmland. Let's also check this place. So we have this region here, and we can also make a farmland here too. Let's do it. So we have. We have this region to buy too. And what is this? Wait a sec. What is it? What is it? Oh shit. Land use industrial. Okay. Oh, it's a big one. Let's try to edit it to farmyard and see how it works. So let's save our map and put it somewhere. To like I don't know, like coding or whatever, and I will create OSM folder. custom OSM file. Save. Okay, successfully saved. Cool. Yeah, exit now. And we now try to find it in the Explorer and put the path to it to. Okay, it's here, and shit. I just saved it. No? What just happened? It says saved. What's happened? Oh my god, I think I didn't select the folder. Okay, good. So now we right click it and copy as path. Cool. And we will pass this path here. So where is, yeah, this one. So it's, yeah, let's remove it completely. And yeah, this file. Cool. We have a file, we have coordinates and all the stuff. And let's try to generate a map actually for this first time. Generate background. I will disable all these features because I don't want to generate water. I don't want water. Yeah, and yeah, add farmlands. So the same as here, we have like what is this? It's GRLS settings, and we need to add farmlands. Farmyards, this one. So if we enable this option, our farmyards we just created will become viable farmlands. So we will use it. Okay. Remove center, it doesn't matter because we don't generate background. Random plants, okay. Farmlands margin. Oh, this one is important. So water depth, plateau, blue radius. I want texture settings, I guess. i3D, background, i3 texture settings. Yeah, field padding, this one. This is a very important thing. So if we use this value, our fields become smaller and they will not overlap, hopefully, on each other. So this is how OSM data looks. And this is our field edge here. So if we add a field padding in meters, it will become smaller. And in this case, they will not overlap each other, and it's good. We will use this feature, and I recommend using it always. I'm usually using like something like 8 or 10. I don't like drains on maps because they like annoying. You can fall down here and wherever. So I usually disable them. Satellite settings. Download images false. We don't need download images. We don't need satellite images right now because it just wastes our time right now. Okay, cool. Yeah, we will also use texture schema later because I want some changes, but we will dive into it later. Okay, now let's hit run button. It's the same like here when you filled all the settings. It's just the same when I launch in the script. It uses exactly the same thing, but it works faster. Cool. I like how Windows handles path. Doesn't work. Like for some reason it's tried. Yeah, Copilot works fine. Let's launch it again, and this time we should use. Is it? Oh no, shit! We don't use our OSM file right now. So let's run again, and we will see our map appear here, and we'll try to use. And we'll check how our farmlands are generated. Do they look fine or not? Because I'm also using farmlands. Okay, cool. Tree right. Okay, so I have some error. Huh? Fix OSM file? Output file path. So it cannot find my file? Why is so? Okay, there will be some debugging here, I guess. Let's try simple check. If not, OS pass is file, custom file. Yeah, we need to raise error here. Raise file found error. No. Okay, it should be here, right? Yeah. So it found tree right. So attribute non-type object has no attribute right. Find all input file path. So input file path. Tree get root. So tree right. Get root. Okay, cool. For some reason cannot read my custom OSM file. Why it's none? Another. I need to check the path. Is it correct or not? Checking OSM file. Right? Yeah. It's here. It's here. So it looks fine. My custom OSM file looks fine. Why it can't work? Tree right output file path. Why tree is not is none? Okay, tree et parse. So what happened? The file exists. Now my VS Code is hanging for some reason. I cannot do anything. So it's not valid. Yeah, my file is not valid, and it's trying to fix it, and it fails, and I can't do anything with it. Okay, some pause. I read a message from my friend. I'm in good avenue. Oh shit! Really? Like waiting? Oh my god! It's been so much time actually. So like my lifeline froze somewhere like 3 years ago, and I'm not saying like I was thinking about you like a young guy, but it's a surprise to hear about that actually. Give me a sec. For some reason this I don't know why this shit is not working. My phone tries to like sleep and disables the webcam. Yeah, I'm using a camera from my phone. It was a bad idea. Anyways, this one, yeah. No, it was a bad idea to show this. Is remote once again. Really? Okay, thanks. It's not working now. Why? As a tech guy, I so much hate when you take some application, it's just not. Why the hell it's not working, guys? It's so many coders right now, so many software, and nothing is working fine. Why is Streamlabs applications not working? I've paid fucking $200 for a year subscription. It's not working. It's unbelievable. Okay, I will try this one live screen, like with the camera. Okay, I'm here. Streamlabs, you suck. Really, sorry about that, but it's simply not working. Okay, getting back to the message. Waiting on August. Okay, it's like three weeks from now. Oh my god. Okay, life has changed much except work. And what about it? What about it? What about the work? But I'm fine where I'm now. That's cool. Yeah. Oh shit. Somewhere just crashed maps4fs, but it's okay. To stream and hear you improve your English. All right. Yeah. I think I did nothing about it, but it's just my job. I didn't like do anything about it. Visiting my grandma right now, so I won't be able to stay by the train like over the time waiting. Anyway, when I was thinking about the stream, of course I was thinking about you. I hope that it doesn't sound like too much, but it's true actually. Thank you. I want to like say that it's really cool about the wedding. Yeah, I'm happy for you. So let's hear about it later when this event actually takes place. So it was nice to hear from you. I'm not like saying go, but you say that you have some like limits. So just in case, thank you for coming. And my son is actually grown up like for 3 years, so it doesn't look like a baby on my arms right now. Okay, anyway, why is this sheet is not working? I mean, why it cannot find the... So tree is none. Why is the tree is none? I don't know how it can be. Print tree, like tree. Let's just print it. And then we ask ChatGPT about it. Oh, it's not none, actually. Whoa. Tree, get root, tree, I'm right. Okay. Tree. So it's not none, actually, here. But after it, it's none. For entering broken entries, element in root, find all entry, root, remove. Okay, what the hell? So let's print tree here, and tree right. Okay, it's not none. What the fuck is happening? Huh? Okay, let's do the following. Let's check how the old code looked like here. So we will swap to text and find something like 199 or whatever. Yeah, somewhere here. Yeah, this one. This one. And let's find generator. No, sorry, toolbox. Yeah, customize them. So how it worked? Tree. Okay, it works exactly the same. How it can be? I don't understand how it works actually. Open this stream so we can talk more. See, okay, yeah. Thank you so much for coming, and I'm not sure about that. Let's see. I like this thing, but it takes so much time and resources, and I'm sure that it returns the same amount of it. So, okay, ChatGPT, how the hell? It's not none. It's not none. I have all this shit here, and when I'm launching it, it says whatever. I don't understand why it's not working, actually. Not non-type. How it can be non-type? I don't understand it. How it's not none? I don't want to dive into debugging this like code and whatever. The idea was just to fix it simple. So there occurs because output file path is not. No, Output file path is none. Sorry, output file path is none. Oh my god, I didn't check this one. I was looking at input file path. Oh, and okay, shit. Print output file path. Print output file path. Output file path. And let's check it. But it was working without it, no? Maybe I missed something like if no. Okay, sorry, something. Yep, output file path is none, but it was none all every time. So fix OSM file where we call it. Self custom OSM file and output file path should be the same one. Let's try one more time. Yeah. And now it should work. No, attempting to fix it. Yep, cool. How many errors it will find in my custom OSM file now? Okay, cool. Demo py and whatever. Okay, it's working. That's great. Okay, so we have a map directory. It's exactly the same as in web UI thing, but we will check farmlands with fields. Cool. So it changed. Now we have more farmlands, and yeah, this is how occlusions look like. See? So this one, for example, will cause issues in the game, and we need to do something about it. This one may have maybe become a problem too, and we also have some things. What is it? Why it's looks like so weird. Let's check how it looks in OSM. Okay, anyway. So this will not work in Giant in the game. So it will become errors because we have those occlusions and we need to do something about it. So first of all, let's check we need farmland margin or something. Yeah, farmland margin, it's 10. It's too much. Let's try to do like I don't know, fields padding 10. Let's make it 8 and 6, something like this, and let's just run another button. And I think my camera stopped working again. I don't know what is this. Well, it's I know how I can solve this shit. First of all, I will switch without camera, like live screen only, this one. And now I will. So it takes some time to generate, and at the same time I will do developer options and stay awake. Yes, this option, stay awake. I need stay awake. Okay, cool. And let's try it once more. Resume video and live cam. Now this one should look fine. No. Green, this one. Okay, it's generated, and now let's check the previous ones again. Farmlands with fields will look better. So we still have this occlusion here, but it's not as much as before. So there are two ways of fixing this. Either we do it on OSM data, or we try to play with settings in the generator to make to remove occlusion. So let's try generate the map once more. That's why I say it like takes 30 times or maybe something like this. Farmland margin, let's switch it to 5. So farmland margin takes the size of the field and then make it a little bit bigger than the field. Because, you know, if you want to play like normally, you can't use the farmland the same as the field. Because it become a problem. So we need to open previews and we'll see if it has something. Hello. Very tasty iced coffee here. So, for some reason it works slowly. I don't know why. Jewel, yeah, okay, cool. Show me the previews, please. I want my previews. And I want another song. No, cool, this one. So, farmlands with fields, and once more. Almost no occlusion, or maybe not occlusion, or maybe no occlusion at all. I'm not sure. Here it's clean. Not good, but maybe it will work. Here it's hard to say, actually. I think we should. So what's the margin right now? Margin like 5. Let's keep it 4 and field padding. Okay, this one field padding 8. It's okay, and let's try once more. Even if we don't have like correct no occlusion case, we can edit it in Giants Editor later. So long of waiting. Rotating textures. Okay, cool. Nice. So let's check previous ones more. Farmers with fields. Yep. Now it looks better. And I think in most of the cases we won't have occlusions. So this is the most problematic place. Was here, and in all other places it looks more or less fine. It should be fine. And why is we have this? It looks like we have two of them or not. I don't know. Okay, fine. So we created our farmlands. We edited custom OSM file, used it for generation just in case. If you are talking about using UI version, it's here. So upload custom OSM, we drop our OSM file here, and that's it. Anyways, I have my folder with my map here, and it's not complete yet because we didn't generate background terrain, water, and all the stuff. And actually, I think we will regenerate it a lot. But let's open it. Open Reveal File Explorer, and this one. Now let's try Giants editor and see how it works. Do we have all the fields and all the farmlands and all the stuff and how it looks like? Maybe we need to change forest density or whatever. Is it launching already? I'm not sure about it. Okay. Just okay. In my case, Giants Editor works slowly even on small maps, like 2 kilometers, and I am not sure if it's possible to do something about it. Because I think I have a pretty decent PC, but still it's struggling to handle farming simulator maps. Okay. Okay, it's loaded. Nice. So we have fields. Okay, so the north is here, so it looks fine. Script, share scripts, camera. Oh no, sorry, maps, farmland, field. It's lagging. So I think I will start lagging to repaint all fields, and we'll see. Okay, cool. What is it? Oh, we have a river here. Whoa. No, it's a like a river, not like drain or whatever. Oh, it's like river. Oh my god. Then we need to split this field. Yeah, we need to split this field into 2 parts. I was thinking it's like drain, like but it's river, right? It's stream, and here is drain. Yeah, it's drain and what? So this way it's a stream, and this way it's a drain. Okay. It's hard to say if it's like drain or whatever the stream. Yeah, on this part it actually looks like more or less like stream or whatever. So I won't remove it. Actually, so okay, we will edit OSM data later because it won't work actually. So let's check. I think the water depth is too much. It's too much. Like, let's switch it to something like 5 or 3. I don't know. It's too much. So let's switch like water depth like 5. So this is how the process looks for me. I generate map, I review it, I check it, and then I make notes or changes in the config and so on. So roads, I don't like them. I mean, they're too narrow or whatever. I want them to be bigger, actually. Something like, for example, this. I think it should be something like twice wider. Yeah. So I will show you how you can use custom texture schema. The forest. The forest looks more or less fine. I think the density is good. I don't think we need more dense forest. But we will need to play with tree schema because it's too much different trees here, actually. The forests in this region do not look like this. Why is this? Oh, so it looks okay. This is where our buildings will be. Okay, and let's check farmlands now. So we'll go to window. What is it? What? No, it's not environment settings or environment settings. Forget about it. No, not that. Not material editing. Sorry, attributes, animation console, material mesh, prefabs, procedurals, scenegraph, terrain. No, viewport 2. Oh. I forgot how this thing is called, where you can play with info layers. Window view. Oh, maybe this one. Material mesh viewer, material editing mode, particle prefab, procedural, scenegraph, script editor, viewport, texture stream. Info. Yes, this one. Oh my god. So we need environment farmlands. Oh, so what's that? Okay. Okay. Let's fly here and check. So it looks fine. We have a nice border here, and there should be no occlusions, more or less. Okay, and also let's check this place. Oh, I want to remove this field. I don't want this field to appear here. It's useless. There might be problems actually, but where our field, yeah, it's very close. Okay, we'll draw it manually. It will not work. Okay, I forgot about this bots on Twitch that advertisement something. So we need to remove this field because it's useless in our case. I don't want it here. We need to edit this thing to split the field into two parts. Do we need to? This field look. In this one too. It's or maybe not. I don't know. No, it's useless, I think. This field has interesting shape. Okay. So we reviewed our map. We find some mistakes, and let's edit our custom OSM file. So we go to the directory with our OSM file, open it in JOSM or YOSM, I don't know how to say it. It's this software to edit OSM data, and we'll see what will happen actually. Okay, cool. Okay, imagery and being aerial imagery. Where is it? Okay, so we need to remove the field. This one. We have a field here. Where is? Or not? Or maybe so. No, this field. This one. Farmland, and we need to Control Shift P purge. Okay. Anyway, removed. Also, we have something here. Yeah. Yeah. This is our farmland, and this thing. Our farmyard, it actually uses the same points. It's not good. I don't remember actually how to unmerge them in correct way, or maybe yeah. If I just remove it like this one, I think it will be easier for me to do it manually. So cool. Now we have this one separated, and we'll do something like this, and la la la. And we also have our field, and we'll do it manually. Yeah, and we will add this distance between the farmyard and our future field. Oh, this is interesting. I think we should edit this too, because the field actually has a slightly different shape, like this one. Yep, cool. Where is this thing? Yep. And we also we have we have roads here. That's not good. That's not good. Why so? Because if we have roads and we want to use have nice map, we actually need to split the fields. Not shit. I need to remove this one. We need to split the fields into multiple ones. So in my case, right now, I don't want to do it because this sample map I won't play on this. So I will simply remove this road and pretend like one big field is here. But actually I will split in here. Yeah, because I don't want to make all these fields manually, and no. Yep, I will split it here. Yep. Distance, main elements. I don't care. Thank you so much. Okay, I see. Thank you for noticing. So, what is it? Yep. Oh, I just... Oh, they share the same thing. What is it? Oh, shit. Resident... I will delete it. I don't need it. I will delete it simply. I simply delete it. This is benefits when working with customers. I mean, you just say, oh shit, I don't need this. I will remove it. Try to do this on OSM map website, and you will see what happens. So this is more or less fine, cool. And now I will create this one here, the new field, and we will. I don't want it. Let me check one thing here in my game. So if I will have, it will be very small, like very small field, like this one, or maybe it's okay. I'm not sure about it. So in this case, it's up to me. Do I want to create a new field here, or I don't? This time I will try. I will see what happens. Maybe it will be too small or whatever, and it will not look cool. But anyway, we need to add tag, and it will be not farmyard, it will be farmland. So we add in farmlands here, and now we need to create a new big field here. Yeah. When working with your real data, you can be precise and whatever, and try to make nice borders. I don't know, but I don't care because it's simple data. Actually, I wasn't care much when I was creating map for myself, which I'm playing right now. Okay, farmland, cool. It works fine. So we removed the field, we fixed this issue with water, and okay, I want to save my file, save. And I want also to edit texture schema. So what's the case? What I don't like in my current schema, because those roads are too narrow. In real life, they 2 or 3 times more wide, something like this, because I'm riding my bicycle in those places. I know, I know those roads. So I want to make them wider. And for this case, we have like the tool to edit texture schema. I will show you, but I will not use it right now because I'm using my code example. It's like the same, but I will just edit it locally. So schema editor, and I want like what it was, gravel or something. Gravel, asphalt, gravel count. I don't remember. No, it's not this one. Mud light. It's mud light, right? It's mud light. This one. Yep. And width 2 meters. Oh shit! This one, right? It's only 2 meters. Yep. Let's make it. I don't know, like 8 meters or something. And I have show updated schema button. So I can copy, and this is my schema here. So here how it looks, but in my case I will just edit this one. So if I will be using this thing, I will copy this button, go to show schemas, texture schema, and put it right here. That's it. Just copy and paste it here. But in my case, I need to edit it right here, texture schema, and mud light or whatever. Yep, mud light count width 2. Why it's only 2 meters width? Let's try this one. I want to check the width of mud pebbles light ditch. Okay. So asphalt highway or motorways, like let's switch it to 12 meters. Concrete, it's building. Okay, I don't care. Forest, I don't know, maybe 4 meters or whatever. What I'm doing, I'm just editing the widths of geometries. What does it mean? So in OSM, your objects can be defined either by points, like polyline or just a point, or polygons. And if your geometry, like building, it's a polygon, or a field, it's a polygon. For example, this is a building, it's a polygon. So it has a closed points, and it will be just fine. But for example, this river here, it's not a polygon, which is bad actually for me. It will be easier for me if it will be like polygonal. So if it's just a lines, like line 1, 2, 3, 4, I need to specify how wide this object should appear on map, and that's what I'm editing. So I'm mostly like how the river looks like. I don't know, looks fine. Maybe it should be wider. I don't know. It's hard to say for me, like from Google Maps. It's not like super big or whatever. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. I don't know. So yes, this is forest, grass, dirt, meadow. I don't care, but meadow, railway. I don't care. Gravel, small, yeah, secondary, tertiary road service. Maybe I mistaken. So let's check the roads I was taking. This one. It's a highway track. Highway track. Highway. No, not this one. Not this one. But let's make it 8 meters too. Highway tracks. This one. Yep. Mud light. So in my case, those roads are mud light texture, and I want them to be bigger. Let's use something like 8. Maybe it will be too much, but we'll see. And ditch, drain, and where is our water? Yeah, our water. It's 10. Okay, it sounds good. Sounds good. Let's try to make it a little bit bigger, like 12, and we'll see what happens. And once again, so I'm just edited like in here and just clicking generate button, but through my code, the same thing. So we'll see what happened. Okay. So because JOSM was opened. Oh shit! Usually should be fixed. Unconnected nodes without no physical text. Okay. What a... Oh shit! I don't know. It tried to upload data. Save. Okay. No. Exit now. It tried to upload data to OSM servers, but I just clicked the button and didn't read what it's tried to do. Sorry, it's not about JOSM. I forget about Giants Editor. I need to close Giants Editor because I'm trying to remove the folder with my map. So, launching the generation with custom schema, and now we'll see. I need to remember this thing about fixing custom SM file. Yeah. I need to push it and create a new version because I found a bug actually right now. Texture schema, and let's wait for previews to appear. Stuck. Okay. Previews. Come here. Yep. So we need farmlands with fields. Let's check. Yep, it looks better now. Yeah, you see this river and all the stuff, and also I think I still need to edit this. I think it will be easier to do it on OSM than struggle with this shit later. Let's do it right now. So we have this small tiny line. It's a field actually. I think we need to remove it because it doesn't look good. And what is this? We have two farmlands here or whatever. Why so? So, what is it? Oh shit. Okay, this one looks good, but maybe a little bit smaller, something like this. Yeah, should be good enough. We don't have any issues with the top border, and we have problem here. Let's see. Yeah, it's too close, Let's make it this way. I don't like because we have a building here. Shit. Let's make the actual field smaller a little bit. Oh shit, we're sharing it with the forest. Anyway, yeah. Let's make it like this. Okay, cool. And then this one too doesn't look good. Oh yeah, it's too close. Something like this. I mean, in the actual... Oh shit. In the actual case, you would prefer to make it more precise. But I don't care much about it. And so, do we have any other issues here? Nope, we don't have it. Everything looks nice. So... Okay. Maybe this field looks fine. I don't know. It's not that small, I think, right? This one, yeah, I wanted to remove this one. So we have lines here and this one. Yeah, this one. I want to remove this field. Or maybe not. Okay, let's remove it. Control Shift P. And this one. Okay. Save. It's saved. Exit now. And let's generate it once more and then open it in Giants Editor and see if it works fine or not. Sorry. I just like the sun. Okay, and now let's check farmland previews and see what happens here. Okay, farmlands with fields. So this one was removed. Yeah, now it looks good. And one thing I forgot to check, why is it looks like two farmlands here? Why so? Or maybe this is, I don't know. Let me check. So here it looks good. It looks good. We don't have any small, like super small fields. More or less fine. This one is weird. Okay, doesn't care. What is it? Is it a farmland or what? So, okay, and what we have here? Oh, it's a field. It's a farmland, land use farmland, and what's inside of it? Farmyard. Oh, okay. So I can, but it doesn't good. It doesn't look good. Remove it. Like, why? Because they're too close to each other, and it will become a problem for me later. And I don't want to do anything with this. I will just remove this and let's create a new farmyard, and that's it. Like this one. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. Attack farmyard. Farmyard. Okay, cool. So, and now what? It's a farmyard, field, whatever. What is this? So, this one. Oh, farmyard, farmyard, farmyard. Okay, they're too close to each other, and it's a forest. Oh, farmyard. Okay, scrub. Oh, it's not a field. Okay, so let's separate them a little bit, like just like this one or whatever. Okay, and say once again, saved, exit now, and regenerate the map one more time. Cool. And wait. Okay. So we are almost ready to proceed further with map generation. So the same data looks more or less fine now. And the most important part here is to save your custom SM file after this. So you did all of this stuff, you created all your data, it looks good. You need to save your file to make sure that you can edit it at any time. So map directory, previews, farmlands with fields. Okay, now we see actual border between them, and it looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine, looks fine. Let's try to open it in Giants Editor now. I don't know why it's taking so much time to open Giants Editor actually. It's like even in the task manager actually. And I think it's because of the Giants Editor. Because it works fine without it. Yeah, it's here. Oh shit. Multiple one blue radius 40. Yeah. Okay. So let's check it once more. Okay, so we have and what is it? It's a road. And how it works in real life, I don't know. Let me check. How the road is over the stream. It's not actual stream here, I believe. It's under the like under the ground or under the road. Yep. So this is, we need to check. We can leave it right as is, but in this case we don't have like any how to say, any bridge here, and that's not good. And actually I don't like how it looks right now in the meaning of the width. So I was expecting it to be like, you know, this is the river, it should be wide enough, but the stream should be smaller, I guess. So let's see. Okay, it's here. Yep, there's no stream under this. We should remove it. Yep, something like this. So the stream comes here, it stops here, and then starts here. Yeah, and it should look fine. Now, what about it? It's stream and it's canal. Okay. What we can do about it? I don't want to split my schema to make one separate layer for the stream and all these things. And I will need an extra texture for it separate, so I will leave it as is. But okay, so we fix this one. Let's hit the save just in case we saved, so we will not have issues with this. And what is this? Oh, same thing here. Let me check. Yep, same thing here. Let's remove it. Something here and something here. And let's delete it. Oh shit. We need to split it. Where is this? Edit. I forgot how it's called. We need to select it and this one. reverse, not reverse. We need to split it. Yeah, this one. Split ways, right? Yeah. Yeah, split ways. Cool. Wait. Yeah, and we delete it, and now it looks good. Something like this. Okay. Let's make it smoother a little bit. Okay, cool. And Control S once again. So we will fix this thing too. Maybe you don't need this. Okay, I don't care. So the water should look good now. What about water depths? It's fine, I guess. So Okay. And we no, this here we should have this thing actually, because let me do this one. Because here should be a bridge and the water should be here. Yeah, this is the actual bridge. So more or less it looks fine. I don't see any other issues. Roads are bigger now, and I like them. They're really nice roads. Yeah, cool. So yeah, cool. And we can close it. We saved our custom OSM map. Now no, we don't need to save it, and generate it once more. Okay, can you please close? The hell. So, and at the same time, I want to, while it's generating, we will play with tree schema editor. So, I want to select some trees, but I don't want which. This, I don't need this. This one looks cool, actually. I like this one. This one too. I will remove needle of trees from my schema, because I don't think there are some of them here in the real world. I mean, oaks, yeah, we have them. I don't know what is it. Yeah, bark. Okay. And this one is too small. I don't like how it looks like. This one too small. So it's only for stage 2. Stage 3. Yeah, this one is too small. I think it's something like for grasslands or whatever. I think it's not good for me. I will remove pines too, and yeah, live. Doesn't look like pine. Lodge pole pine. I don't know. Weird. Okay. I don't know. I don't like this trees just. Yeah, it's not be much of them, but I'm okay with it, because in real life, like, you know, you don't have 30 types of trees in one area usually. Okay. This one, golden rain. Okay. Let's remove this one because it's too small. This one, service berry. I don't know. Deadwood, we don't need deadwood. Chinese elm. Okay, never mind. I don't like it. I don't know. I don't know why, but I don't like it. So I will remove it from my schema. This looks weird, but okay. This one, okay. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. This one small. Okay, I remove it. I don't like it. It looks like I don't like anything. So I actually don't like this tree. It's too small. Okay, S-Pen, we don't need it. Sorry, S-Pen. Yeah, American Help, stage 1 removed. This one looks good. Apple, go away. So, show updated schema and copy. And now I will save it for my own purpose. And we'll put it here, something like FS25 custom tree schema JSON. And put it right here. So I have my own leaf type. I have my own tree schema now, and we will use it. Where is the tree schema? So in when using UI version of the app, you simply copy the schema here, and then paste it here. But in my case, since I'm using code version, it's a couple of additional steps. You can ignore them. Where is yeah, texture tree custom schema. It's a JSON load open data face custom tree schema JSON, something like this. Tree, what? Sorry, no, I don't need texture schema right now. Custom tree schema and tree custom schema, blah blah blah. Just in case, print number of custom trees, blah blah blah. So let's try once more with custom trees and see how it works. Cool. I don't have this. Oh, sorry, I forgot this one. Okay, cool. Okay, we have 19 trees in my file. Let's use it. Oh shit. I think I was really slow because it's been 2 hours since I started, but I still didn't even generated background. Yeah. But this approach, when you like editing OSM data and all the stuff, and only after it, I didn't like created any assets. I didn't spend any time on something useful that I can that I need to store or need to save. The only asset I have is my custom OSM file, and all the things I can generate over and over again, and I don't care about them. So let's open our map. It's here, map directory, map A3. And we'll see how our forests look. It should be much better, in my opinion, at least, because I don't like how what's happening. Okay. So now we'll check our latest edits with water and how new forests look. Yeah, I like how it looks right now. It looks much better for me. What the fuck? Why still? Maybe it's too big. Maybe it's too big. Or maybe... did I save it? Did I save it? It's here, OSM, custom OSM. Maybe it's too big and but I have a pretty big value for width. It's like 12 meters from both sides. Yeah, it may lead to this situation. Yeah, this one. I need to make gap between them larger, I think. But the forests look really good right now. Maybe we also need to remove this one. What is this? Stage 2. But maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe it looks good. I don't know. So why are you working so slow, guy? So did I make? Yeah, we need to, because I think we're using width of 12, and it's not enough here. Something like here, and the same here. Okay, go. Let's try once more. Save. And I will remove American Elm Stage 2 from my custom schema. What is this? Stage 02? No, not this one. Yeah. Goodbye, buddy. And generate once more. I think I should have added a count for map generations on the stream. I think it will be like more than 30 now. And we're just getting started. Okay, now let's open our map again. And we'll see if our changes with the stream helped, or we need to make a gap bigger, and also we'll check how new updated forests look. What's the forest density I'm using? It's i3D settings, forest density of 8, and what's the default value? Forest density is 10, so I using a little bit more dense forest. We'll see. Why is it so slow? Okay, cool. Yep. It looks fine now. Maybe we need to play with textures there, but it's, you know, like sample map. I'm fine with it. At least we can drive a car here. Let's remove this tree here. I don't know why I did this, because I don't like this tree too. Okay, so trees, forests look beautiful. Really beautiful. Do we need to make the density smaller? Anyway, I think it's okay. Our fields here looks good. Our river looks good too. Everything looks fine. We have this road. We'll have the bridge here, and we can drive here and whatever. So I think we can go to the next step and try to generate obj files. Wrong file name. Oh, sorry. I think Streamlabs doesn't synchronize chat right. I don't have updates here. Yeah, I don't have updates. Thank you for the comment, but I just see this. Very nice work on the survey. Thank you so much. Actually, I was happy to tell the story how it was born. I was thinking about playing on my own map, and I was like, oh my god, I want to play farming simulator near my hometown or whatever. And earlier, like several years ago, I was playing Cities in Motion. It's kind of niche game, but it's cool. It's cool. Where you can create like community transportation services like buses and whatever. And there was a tool exactly the same like maps4fs where you can use OpenStreetMap data to create, but it was only doing textures, no trees or some stuff. Maybe he added it later. I'm not sure about it. But I was like, oh, cool! This is genius. I have like template. I know where to put buildings. I know where to put roads. I know everything, and it was so simple and so like genius. So when I decided to make my own map for Farming Simulator, I was like, okay, Google, give me this tool for Farming Simulator. And Google was like, there's no such tool. I was like, what? Like, Cities in Motion community, it's like, I don't know, 2% of Farming Simulator community. And it was like weird stuff for me. Like this huge big with so many fans, with so many money inside of it, like the guys selling tractors inside of which, I mean, like commercials and whatever, and they don't have tools for it. So I was shocked, and I go to YouTube, okay, how to create a farming simulator map from Google Maps, and then I see a guy who is literally opening Google Maps in another like monitor or whatever, and trying to draw it in Giant Cedar. I was like, what the fuck is happening here? Why he's doing it manually? And I go to Reddit and ask the guys, and they say there's no such tool. And I was like, oh, okay, I think it's possible to do it. And that's how I create it. Because I'm not like perfectionist in the meaning of maps. I can show my map later, not on the stream, but on the second one, it's look like shit, actually. I generated maps4fs, didn't even bother with custom schema and so on, and I'm enjoying it. Because it has, like, realistic terrain, more or less, rivers and huge fields, and I'm okay with it. I didn't put any buildings, I used placeables, like, you know, and buying farmlands and placing, like, selling points or whatever here. And it looks great for me, but I didn't expect that so big community didn't have this tool, because it should exist for a game with so big community as Farming Simulator. I'm so glad you did it, because as I grew up on farmland Belgium, I always wanted to recreate my village in FS, and now you gave me that tool to do it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. I appreciate it. Actually, I did it for myself. If you will check videos on YouTube where how the tool looked before, so it was just a script like this one. It was primitive, no fancy stuff like trees and rivers and background terrain and all the stuff, but it was working fine for me, and I was enjoying the map without background terrain, without forests and so on. It was looking fine for me, because that moment when you drive a tractor on some road and you're where you've been before, like in real life, your brain is catching these moments. It's just a road, curves of the road, forest and whatever, but your brain like, oh my god, I've been here and this is so like it's an unbelievable feeling when you're driving the tractor in the places where you've been in real life. So I really enjoyed it, and I can't imagine playing like on default maps anymore. It's just a game when you're playing on default maps, but when you're playing on your own map where you've been, it's not just a game, it's more than it. That's why I enjoyed this thing. Okay, anyways, so now we need to generate background terrain. Let's generate background. We will not generate water at this moment, so I'm usually doing it part by part. So I don't want to spend resources like GPU resources, electricity, and all the stuff. So CPU and my time to generate it, because maybe I will need to regenerate my background. So unless I'm fine with background terrain, I will not generate water, and that's it. Water blurriness I will up to 100. I think it's a maximum working value. Hi Stan, hi Dorian, thank you for joining. It's exactly how I feel when playing on some sample map. I agree. Yeah, it's unbelievable how our brain works. Because my first map, it literally was nothing. It's just shitty terrain, because I have a bug that I fixed later, and it was a shift, small shift, like I don't know, 5 meters or so on, and like gravel road, trees, and shitty terrain. And still my brain was catching, I know this place, and this was unbelievable experience. So it's generating mesh. Thank you for the effort, what you did for map making, and also thank you all the help on Discord earlier. Actually, it's hard for me to help on Discord, like for real help, because I'm usually opening it from my phone, and I don't have. I'm not a phone guy. Like, I'm not a smartphone guy. I prefer a PC when I can copy paste or open tabs like in seconds and copy the URLs and so on. So I'm kind of short. Like, check this, and don't give links unless I edit comments to the bot. Anyway, let's go to Blender now and check how our background terrain looks like. I was thinking about streams, and I think that this approach, the chat on Streamlabs Ultra doesn't work at all. So last message I see here like for 1 hour ago, it doesn't work at all. Thank you Streamlabs for this amazing software. Oh my god, how we would live without Streamlabs. So we need I don't know where it's coding, maps4fs, map directory, background, this one. I guess you're a software engineer. Yeah, I'm a software engineer. So what is this? Yeah. And what is this small part here? Yeah. Okay, it looks fine, I guess. What is this dot here? Like some font, or where is? What is it? Oh shit! There's a pond here actually. I didn't know about it. Okay, it looks good. Looks good. No actual terrain here. It's like way wetter in Serbia. So it looks like this. So you go to the end. No terrain at all. Actually, if you go look back, there is some mountains here, but here in Vojvodina we have like endless fields, like for 400 kilometers without terrain at all. So let's check. We need to set origin to geometry, right, and set everything to zeros like usual. The sizes are correct, and okay, it looks fine. So let's go to modifiers, decimate. For my area, there's a free 1 meter dam available, but not with your tool. Okay. It is possible to use a custom height map. Yes, it's possible. So it's here. Upload custom background. So here is the most important part of custom height map is that the trickiest part actually is to make it correct. Not as meaning like processing file, like single channel grayscale or whatever, but it need share exactly the same coordinates. You need to how to window your GeoTIFF file, and if you're not software engineer, it can be tricky because you have this large file and you need to cut out the part of it perfectly. Otherwise, it won't work. I mean, it will work, but you have shifts everywhere. Like road should be here, but it's here. Field should be here, it's here, and everything is misaligned. So it's possible to do it, but it's kind of like advanced thing. So you can try it. Maybe QGIS can help with GeoTIFF windowing. So if you have GeoTIFF, this file contains not like only height map and all the stuff, but it also contains bounds, CRS, and using the specific software, you can cut out the part of it. Don't try to do it in graphic editors like Photoshop. It's impossible. you can try, but you will still have misaligned. So it's only with specific tools. I'm not sure if QGIS can help with it, but it may. And after it, you need to prepare it as like this one. So it should be a 16-bit image and grayscale, single channeled, and the size should match perfectly. And that's it. Okay, so let's get back to our background thing. So I will try something like this with decimate. So right now I'm trying to make it like lighter. I don't know. I'm trying to remove extra faces so it won't be like 100 megabytes or whatever, because Giants editor allows only like 20 megabytes or something. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. Like to top. So okay, it looks good. So right now I will destroy it and regenerate it once again, because we need satellite settings. Download images true, and zoom level 18 is fine. Cool. Satellite settings, and let's go once more. I will try my best. Thanks. Okay, good luck with that. I don't know if it's possible to find something on Google. Window GeoTIFF online. Possible. GeoTIFF EO. Oh, whoa. Interesting thing. Euro to GeoTIFF load file. What can load GeoTIFF identify? Mean max histogram. What does that identify? Check a point of the map to identify the pixel value. Mean, sum, median. This tool looks good, but I can see maybe it allows something like, I don't know, click or min. What is max? This is weird. Not sure if it will work. Get if viewer online. Oh, this one may work. Drop renders PNG, yeah, my preference system, GFP viewer, KML, transfer, geotech images, okay. Coordinates, GeoGenerator, converter. It's a lot of stuff here. Okay, you can try to find the tools. I think that maybe you'll find one. So, whoa, it's still generating it. This is weird. Oh, no? Okay. Yeah, the new updated satellite downloader is much faster. It's really fast. Like, it will download it in 15 seconds. Yeah. With the maximum quality. Merging tiles. Yeah. Okay, so we are downloading the satellite images that we will use for our background terrain. Yeah, the second one is bigger. So, for example, for satellite images, it has two satellite images. One for background terrain, which is map size plus 2 kilometers on each side, and for the overview image, which is used for your in-game map actually. Map size x2. So in this case, when we're working with 2 kilometers map, we need two different satellite images. Anyways, they should be downloaded fast because they will be cached, and next time we are trying to use them, we will use cached versions. Okay, map03 satellite, let's check. Okay, background, this one is for the background terrain. What's the size of it? Yeah, it's too big, I think. Oh, no, it's not. It's merging. Yeah. So this one we will use for the map. So this one will be our map inside of it. And this one will be used for the background. It's not working. Still merging. Okay, let's wait a little bit. So the tool I'm using to download satellite images, it actually downloads small parts right from Google Maps, from the web browser actually. Okay, I think it's big. This image is really big. Can show the dimensions. Okay, so view details. No, not this. Oh shit! It's like 300 megabytes. Okay. Fair. Let's so the background terrain looks fine. The satellite images looks fine too. So let's take them from here. Satellite desktop. I will put it here, and at the same time I will disable download images set to false because we already have them. And let's check how water looks like. So yeah, we'll set generate water, and we need water blurriness with 100 and skip drains. Where's skip drains too? I don't like drains on my maps. So let's generate water, and we'll see. And I think we'll then proceed to the Blender steps and generate background terrain. And I think I will also need my own tutorials. Because actually I'm using my own tutorials because I forgot things all the time. Like, I don't remember how to add all those values to the water, and so I'm opening my documentation and do it like it's stated here. So for the background terrain, I remember all the stuff actually because I was recording too many times all this, but for water or not. Rotating mesh, okay. Let's launch Blender and we'll check how the water looks like, if it's okay or not. Oh my god, where am I? Yeah, here. Import obj, and we need this map directory background, and we need water. Plain water is ready, but I'm not sure if plain water will work in this case. Let's try elevated water. So once again, set origin to geometry. And rotation. All right. This is the pond. This is our main. This is all those parts will be outside of the map because the map border is somewhere here, and this is background terrain, actually. But it more or less looks fine. And so, what we're gonna do now is copy our map directory somewhere. Go in maps4fs, map directory, yeah, and we will copy it. And somewhere here, like FS25, sorry, my map, and here, no, I think I copied it in, okay, anyway. Yep, and let's put satellite here. So our assets more or less ready. Now we need to make this one smaller because it's too big. I'm not sure if Photoshop will work fine with it. I have to recognize you did an amazing job with the documentation. Not used of that level from SC in general. SC, what is it? From SC. I don't know what is it to say, but documentation, it's important part. I'm a software developer, and I know if there is no good documentation, there is no software. If people don't know how to use your software, it's completely useless. So unless someone will try hard to understand everything, but it's not the case. So image size. So not centimeters, it's pixels. Oh shit, it's big really. Calculator, yeah, I'm stupid, sorry, I'm using calculator. I think it's should be something like 6100 and this one, yeah. We'll resize it and save it as a background small. Okay, file export. Photoshop is lagging like hell. Why export is not working? What's happening? Oh shit. File export. Okay, cool. File export. And we need to go to somewhere here. Yep, my map. Satellite background, resize it. Okay, so okay, cool. And now I will just go to Google and open random website to compress PNG. So it will be smaller. Yeah, it's this one. Satellite back resize, this one. Oh, thank you. It was useful. Cool. Okay. It said image is too big. Okay, I'm using compress PNG for reason. Resize this one. Compress images. Yeah, cool. Yeah, actually it's really big. Okay, it's 20 megabytes now. Cool. We don't need this one. We don't need this one. Yeah, I was using much money to hack Stronghold Crusader. Okay, thank you. So resized and compressed. While working on something like this, I will always store every file just in case. Even if I don't need this large file right now, maybe I will need it, so I will store it unless I'm completely sure. And so I can suggest the same. So we have this texture, yeah. We have all our OBJ files and whatever. Let's try to actually create a background tree. OBJ. I forgot where it is. Coding and my map. Yeah. Background. Yeah, this one. Set origin to geometry. Set everything to zeros. And rotation to 0 2. Okay, cool. Here's our background terrain. And I think we'll need to decimate modifier like 0.1 or whatever. Which field you're working in? Software engineer nope. I'm I'm working in a company that operates like neural network platform. It's hard to explain it without diving into details. So we have a platform that allows you to come here and train your own neural network without like no code thing. Yeah, that's important one. So everyone can come to our platform and without any code train your own model. So for any task like object detection, instant segmentation, and whatever, videos, images, and all the stuff. So I would say like an AI, but I'm not ML engineer myself. Yeah, that's why. If I say AI, the people say, oh, you're creating neural networks. No, I'm not creating neural networks. I'm creating stuff that allows creating neural networks. So what we should do next? I don't remember. I think something like texturing, right? I will try to do it without my documentation. Like here, top level or whatever. Yeah. And now I need to click tab. No? I think something is happening. Cool. Now everything is black. Cool. What? What's happening? Oh, all right. And now we need something. Oh, no, I forgot material. I forgot material. Yeah, material, new material, and image and emission to black. Right. Okay, let's use my motivation test. So geometry to origin, blah blah blah. Yep. Okay. Okay. Modifier. Okay. Decimate. Okay. Yeah. Shade smooth. Oh. Okay. We will use it. Shade smooth. New material. Right. Yeah. Base color. Image texture. Right. Right. So base color, image texture. Where is this one? Open. My map by satellite. Compressed. This one. And emission to black. That's why. That thing I remember. Emission to black. And emission to black. La la la. UV editing. Okay. Okay. Something like view, unwrap, project view from bounds. Project view from bounds. This one. Oh, cool. Nice, nice. Yes, this one. I don't know why Blender is lagging. Maybe it's because of the stream. Why it's black? Why everything's black? Whoa, what's happening here? I don't know what's happening actually. I never saw. Why everything's black? Okay, I will just save it. Save us. And no, not here. There's my map. Background. I will usually call it like this one, background blend, and so material preview. Okay, cutting. Oh, exporting, export, and that's it. So let's try to export it. So okay, it works. Split background i3D, background shapes. Oh, it's actually a small one. Okay, cool. Let's try. and we'll try to import it. But I don't know why it's black here, actually. And why it's doing this thing. I don't know what's happening. Maybe there's some way to do it. Oh, shit. What is it? Viewport. Okay, cool. I should have pressed this one, I guess. Why my music is stopped? It always happens when I'm opening Giant's editor, actually. No, it's still lagging. Okay. Meanwhile, this is the music from the Planet Crafter is playing, and I personally recommend this game for everyone. It's amazing. Yeah, and the most interesting part about this game, I mean the Planet Crafter, it's that it was made by 2 people. And it's amazing how only 2 persons can create such beautiful game. Of course, it may look not like fancy schmancy in the nowadays anyway, because the graphics are not that good, like, I don't know, in Call of Duty or whatever, but the game itself is awesome. So I would recommend it. At least try it. Okay, and now let's try to import our OBJ file. Not OBJ, but i3D file that we just... where are we? Okay. This one, Cody, my map, background, this one. Is it working? Okay, Giant's export here is Giant's editor is... Oh, cool, it's working. Yeah, nice. Cool. Yeah, so it's aligned. Cool. Let's try to raise it a little bit. Okay, more or less something like that. I think we need to add material editing somewhere. Always, yeah, it's just in case it's expected to such things appear after decimation. I think I decimated too much because it's only 3 megabytes and usually it can be like 20, but I don't care. I'm okay with it. That doesn't change anything for me. So it looks more or less good, and so what we're gonna do now, I think we need to material editing, window material editing, because it looks glossier. Material editing looks glossy. Where is it? Opacity. Oh, sorry. Here, smoothness. Yeah, this one. We need to remove it. See? It's like covered in plastic otherwise, and we need to set it to 0. Now it looks more realistic. Yeah, cool. And once again, see? Remember to remove this thing. Okay, we can save it. So, and now we need to import our water. Let's, yes, save, but let's create a new window of Blender, just in case. And this, for water, I will just do everything step by step from the documentation, because it's too much steps here with some weird values. It's the Cody, my map, background. No, it's not background, it's water. It's hard to say. On this map, actually, the plain water may look better. Once again, the difference between the elevated water and plain water is that plain water, it's created like an image. It's completely flat. No changes in the shape of the, I don't know, this thing on the top of the water. It's like an image. So if we have not like different terrain on the map, it may work, and it will look better in game. So let's try, at least. We'll try to do it for plain water. Set origin to geometry. Again, all these values to zeros, all the stuff. So we'll see. Yeah. Yeah, it looks good. And we need to add shaders, but I don't remember how to do it. Do not touch. Material emission to black. Okay, material emission to black. Okay, why it's lagging? I don't know. Just hanged. Okay, emission set to black. Cool. No. Okay. Okay, and now we can go to Giants Exporter. We need to game location and here. Thank you. It was useful. Material detect path. Cool. And we need ocean shader. Cool. File save. It's not a background. It's water. Okay. Water rare. Save. Okay, cool. Apply. And let's try to export it. I don't know. Export selected. And try to import it. My map, water. Okay. It should be easy for us to align it because we have some obvious place where the river has intersection. Let's try to make it above. Okay, it's too much. And this one, something like this. And something like this. I don't know. So let's take a closer look on it. It looks good here. It's okay that it's black. We can just select shader later. Settings. We're just checking if it's... I think there's an issue here. Yeah, we need to make it a little bit lower. It's here. Translate, it's Y in here. So it should be 28 or 26.9. Yeah, 27.9. Okay, cool. Looks fine here. Let's go check. Okay, we need to make it lower here too, as you can see. Try here. No, still not enough. Something like this. Okay, cool. And dive once again. Oh. So we have a difference here, actually. Height. And I think the plain water will not work in this case. Because, or maybe it will. I don't know. It's hard to say. There's actually, it's sort of a trade-off. We can, for example, make with the water higher, like 28, and then up the terrain here a little bit. But it will look better in other places, so maybe it's a good idea, I don't know. Because it looks good here. Oh no, it doesn't look good here. Okay, let's remove it. And do the same for elevated water. Plain water did not work for my case, so we have two big height difference here. And do the same for the... let's close it just. And create a save, create a new file. I'm not an expert in Blender, so I was afraid, so I leave some options or whatever. It will not work as I want later. So water, elevated water, the same, set origin to geometry, values to zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, cool. Okay, it looks pretty much the same, but it has differences in the height, I guess. It's a level elevated water. Okay, and we need what do we need? We need here. Go here and select. Let's save it. Water like water elevated, and go game location. Select with farming simulator installed. Click here. Select ocean shader. Cool. File, save, apply, export selected. And now try once more. Import and this one. This one should work better, I hope. I got to add material. Oh shit, will not work. Material emission like. Black, completely black emission. Okay, material is one the same. Yep. Apply. Save. Export selected. And import once again. It should be black. Okay, cool. Something like this. Yeah, it's black and it's good. Something like this. I don't know. And let's switch the shader so it will look blue. Yeah. I think it doesn't place good. It's hard to say. Oh, really? I don't understand. Oh, this is how background terrain looks. Okay. The value for decimation should be lower, but I don't care about it. Yeah, we have some graphic glitches for the elevated water, and expected actually, but we should more or less cover it with settings, and it should not work that bad in the game. But it depends. We will also try to decimate it. It's hard to play with this value, but we'll try. Let's find the most complex place, like here, right? And let's try to change the value for decimate and see. Yeah, it still has these edges. Let's try this one. It's hard to say. Okay, we'll remove decimate right now and try to this one. It should look more or less fine. File save. I don't know, should I need to click apply now, but anyway, and export again and remove the water and import the new one again. Water, I free this one. Something like this. Does it look good or not? I don't understand the height of it. Okay, maybe we can try to move it up. Oh shit, too much. Let's set it to 28. It does look good, right? Oh, I need to move it. Where is this thing? Something like this. Okay, now it's better. Yeah, cool. And material editing and simple. So it should look better now, right? Yeah, we don't have this nasty triangles anymore. Okay, this one we need to remove the decimation that much for the background terrain. Okay, anyways, let's try to edit the values, and I will copy them from the documentation. Water planes, blah 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 blah. Okay, first of all we need to set this will remove, and here 1 1. Next, not here. Okay, 12 14 11. 12 14 11. 12 14 11. And 1.4 1.2. Okay, should look more or less fine now, right? Okay. Let's save the map. Okay, it's ready, and now what I want to do is we have some stuff, map locations. What is it? I don't know, let's leave it as this. Fields, okay, guided tours, we can remove it safely. Custom collision boundaries, we don't need it. NPC spots, we don't need it. Trigger markers, vehicle shop, and this one we need. Okay, where we will put it? I think somewhere here. Yeah, cool. And we also need to click map terrain, place objects on terrain. Oh. Okay, cool. Let's move it a little bit. And click it again. Map terrain, place objects on terrain. And it should work fine. So we will have our vehicle shop here, spawn first place. Okay, why it's lagging so much? Okay, this one. Okay, that it looked good for me. So we have water, we have background terrain, all this shit, and grids, map, farmland fields, field toolkit, and repaint all fields. Repaint all fields. Repaint all fields. All fields, okay, and file save. Now let's pack our map. Map, and like 7-zip, my map zip, right? Cool. And I think I will try to launch Farming Simulator now. And I think it will be heavy because I have like very high view distances edited manually in the config, and I don't think the stream will work with them, so I need to restart the game with different settings. Okay, it's documents, my games, Farming Simulator, or wherever, mods. Cool, replace, because I already have this one. So I'm trying to launch Farming Simulator now to check if it will work. Whatever. Yeah, I'm using gamepad for it. Probably caused by recording streaming server. Yeah, I guess so. But I think that we live in the times where the decent PC can handle all this stuff, right? Or can't, because my music just stopped playing once again for no reason. Check if it will work. Oh, in the menu it should work nice. Okay, what do you want from me? Do I need to data? Okay. Yeah, this one, farm manager. Yeah, okay. We'll see if it will work or not. Those warnings not much matter. It's about DDS files, so I did not convert PNGs to DDS. Yeah, I can do it later if I want to, but I think you must do it for ModHub, but for your own map you can ignore it, I guess, because I'm playing without DDS. I don't use it. But Giant's editor can do it automatically if you just drag and drop PNG file. Okay, I still have no warnings about fire. Was not set. Ah, yeah. I can do it later. Oh, so it looks like farmlands and fields not overlaying each other. It's good. No, I don't need it. Okay, cool. So how much am I lagging? I'm interested. Yeah, cool. So I have fields here, farmlands, and all the stuff. So for example, this one. Okay, cool. I can buy it. I can buy it too. And this one, I need to set another multiplier for this. Okay, it doesn't look like I'm lagging super hard, so I won't change settings. Sorry. I think we can live with the small lags. Oh shit, I forgot about texture dissolving. It's an important one. We need to replace it. See how textures look? They repeating the pattern. And that's because the texture dissolving is not enabled. And it doesn't look good. We need to replace it. Okay, let's buy a car. Okay, where I wanted to go. Okay, here. Oh shit, it's lagging like hell in the meaning of input lag for some reason. Oh, it's electric one. Okay, cool. Yeah, we have some nasty triangles here. But this thing with... So maybe it's better to try to switch to... And I forgot to add this one thing about scripts. Oh, I can't... I can. Sorry. Yeah, the input lag is killing me, actually. And it's probably caused by the streaming software. Yeah, but the forest looks good already. Yeah, really cool. So texture dissolving, and all other parts. We need to map, in-game map. It's nothing special. We just will resize the second satellite image to the size, convert it to DDS, and put it here. And we will also play with XML file to edit the values for pricing for the farmlands. So it will be cheaper without the actual field. I don't want to pay 300,000 euro for farmland without field. So they should be cheaper, and this one too, for example. Yeah. And okay, cool. So it mostly works. At the moment, I don't know how to handle with these glitches for water. I don't know just how to do it. But maybe we'll find a solution later. Okay, so I think it's that's it for today. It wasn't that bad in the meaning of progress for one stream. So I think in the second stream I will cover all the other parts, because we mostly need to add overview map, like for PDA or whatever, play with XML, all the stuff, and more or less the map will be ready without buildings, bridges and whatever. I'm not an expert in this. I can show a couple of things how to add a bridge here, for example, from in-game assets, steal it from other map, add some buildings here and whatever, but I don't know, I think other modders are better in this. But anyway, I think the map look good enough for the beginning. So right now I will try to use this super app that is lagging all this stream, this one, and we'll see if it will work or not. Okay, all right, now I will close the Blender. I don't need it anymore. So what's the change? Yeah. Okay. So what we covered today, I think I will try to add timestamps to the stream, so it will be used later for like extended tutorial or whatever. As we play with OSM data, used GOSM for custom OSM files, used generation for basic stuff, play it with farmland margin, fields padding to ensure that they will not occlude to each other and there will be no errors. As you can see from the first attempt, I have no errors about it, and it works out of the box because I played with farmland margin and fields padding and farmland margin values. And also we used farmyards to create buyable zones in the game without fields. So you can, for example, we can play by this region and this region and this region and this region without any fields. And we created it automatically from customized file as well. So we generated background terrain with satellite images, edit water, exported it from Blender, edited here, and all the stuff. So in the next stream, I will cover all other parts which needed to be completed to finish the map. But it's already kind of playable and all the stuff, but we also need to add borders here, so we'll not drop out of the map if we go to the edge of it. So keep the great work you are doing, and thank you again for all your efforts creating that. So right, okay, thank you for your kind words and making it available and usable for all. Don't hesitate to reach out if you need any help. Okay, sure. Thank you for watching, guys. If you will have questions, feature requests, welcome to our Discord server. So that's it for today, and thank you. See you next time. I guess maybe the next weekend I will create... Oh, what is happening with my camera? I don't know. And so I will just go to here and see you later. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.